Subsequently, we will proceed plugging in the power. The display will light up and the heater will go into off position. As this is the first installation, as we press the central multifunction button, we will see F33 appear on the display. This is the aeration cycle for the unit, during which the motherboard is making the circulator spin alternatively 40 seconds actively and 20 seconds stopped. We will read F33 on the display, and it is necessary and essential for the installer or technician to open the drain faucet situated on top of the draining exchanger. We connect a tube to it which will start releasing water and air slowly. For the security measures such as antifreeze, water, heating, anti-legionella, etc. to work, it is necessary to leave the unit plugged in and in the off position. Even in this mode, all the security measures keep working as long as we have the gas valve open and the power connected. Every time we intervene on the heater, we should register the CO2 emissions by bringing the unit to its chimney sweep function through pressing and holding the R button for 7 seconds. By holding the R button pressed for 7 seconds, the heater will turn on and activate this function, at which point we will check the CO2 emissions as I illustrated earlier. If we want to clean the primary exchanger, we shall take out the burner, check that the spark plugs are at the correct distance from each other, which is 3 millimeters. We will check that the primary spark plug is at the correct distance from the burner, which is 9 millimeters. Also check that the black gasket is still elastic and not crumbling to the touch, as to keep the burner isolated yet attached to the heater. We will check the ceramic fiber that is not ruined. Also, we will check that the ceramic fiber on the back side of the primary exchanger is not ruined or consumed. Otherwise, we must replace it with a new one. This is what relates to the back side, where there is a small hole. We insert it in this position and push until we hear a click. The exchanger is provided with various coils. These coils must be cleaned. In this case, the exchanger we are seeing is brand new, so the coils are already clean. But after the heater has been functioning for a while, the coils will be darker in color, at which point we can use a cleaning product for stainless steel. We apply it to the coils with a sponge, as long as it is not metal but plastic. We scratch away the impurities and then we will wipe off any excess product with a moist sponge. Once we have done this, we put the burner back on to the exchanger, fix it with the full 4 bolts and mount it back onto the unit.